it's Miss Bella again. In today's lesson, we are going to be learning about even more sounds. But first, let's look at the sounds we've learned so far. Remember, look at the letter on the screen and say the sound after me. Are you ready? Let's go. S, A, T, P, I, D. Well done. Now in today's lesson, we are going to be identifying new sounds. Remember, look at the letter and say the sound after me. Okay? Let's go. G. G. Well done. Oh. Oh. Good job. Very good. K. K. Well done. Now, if you notice, the last two letters sound the same way. So to differentiate them, we can call them the curly K and the kinky K. Curly K and kinky K. Okay? Now, let's go over the sounds again. G. G. Oh. Oh. K. 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 Well done. Now let's look at some words that begin with these sounds. G as in gate. O as in orange. K as in cup. K as in kite. Well done, everybody. Make sure you practice your sounds before our next lesson. See you then. Bye.